Hey everyone, welcome back to the CryptoChangeX channel. Hope you enjoy our last video about blockchain. Today we will be talking about Trustwallet, how it works and how you can get the most out of it. Trustwallet is the official wallet by Binance. It is a decentralized secure crypto mobile wallet that allows you to buy, store, exchange and earn crypto. It acts as a bridge that connects to individual blockchains via their nodes and allows users to access their public addresses where the crypto is encrypted and stored. Trustwallet does not hold or control any crypto, it just gives the user access to it. Trustwallet is also non-custodial, meaning the user holds the private key and controls their own funds. Trustwallet was founded in 2017 by Viktor Brakenko. Brakenko wanted to build a better interface for storing and accessing funds while also establishing an infrastructure for other developers to build dApps. Trustwallet was originally built to support Ethereum-based tokens but now supports over 40 blockchains and more than 160,000 assets. Binance acquired Trustwallet in July of 2018. They hope to provide better services and enhance the safety for its users with their partnership Trustwallet. This partnership with the biggest name in the crypto space, and their deep pockets, is sure to increase the number of users flocking to Trustwallet and will certainly fuel a flurry of development of further features on the app. Trustwallet now integrates seamlessly with the Binance Smart Chain with no collection of your personal data. In addition, it gives you access to your private keys stored locally on your device. Consequently, you have complete control over your funds. Plus there's a whole host of easy-to-use features such as quick and easy crypto buying with credit and debit cards. For new crypto investors just getting started buying your first crypto, this can be a comforting feature. One thing to note here is that you can't sell your coins and cash out with a withdrawal back to your bank account or credit card. However, it is seamless and easy to connect your Trustwallet to a reputable exchange. Then through that crypto exchange platform you will be able to withdraw to your fiat currency in a variety of ways. The two exchanges that I use and recommend are Coinbase or Binance. I will leave a link to them in the description. Trustwallet encrypts all assets' private keys to create one master private key. This key is then run through an algorithm to generate a unique 12-word phrase known as the recovery phrase. This recovery phrase is extremely important as it is the only way to recover your assets in case you lose access to your wallet. Therefore, upon signing up, you will be assigned a wallet that you must back up with your recovery phrase immediately. Trustwallet is available on both the Google Play Store and the App Store. First, let's look at how to install and use Trustwallet on Android. Always download only verified apps from the Google Play Store. Once you download your Trustwallet from a verified source, you will begin the process of setting your new wallet up. The first step to creating a new wallet is to write down your security words and keep them safe. These words will be used to restore your wallet if you ever lose access to it. After writing down your security words, you will enter the main screen of the app. The first thing you need to do on the main screen is to secure your wallet with an extra level of security. This could be a password, fingerprint or facial recognition. This extra level of security will help protect your assets in case your phone is lost or stolen. Once your wallet is secured, you can start adding assets to it. Trustwallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. To add an asset, simply click on the Add Token button and enter the details of the asset you wish to add. It is recommended to always keep your wallet updated to the latest version to ensure the best security and performance. If you follow these steps, you will be able to use Trustwallet easily and securely. How to use Trustwallet on iPhone. The iPhone is currently being used by over 5 million people. So let's jump into the walkthrough. First up, you'll want to download and install the app from the Apple Store. Once it's launched, you can either create a new wallet or you can restore a wallet. Retroing a wallet is for cases when you upgrade to a new phone. For this tutorial, I'll go ahead and create a new wallet. The first thing we need to do is to write your security words down and keep them somewhere safe offline and away from any potential theft. Remember, anyone who has access to these words could gain control of your funds. The purpose of that 12-word phrase is just for recovery or importing a wallet. Once you've written down those words in the right order and confirmed them, you will enter the main screen of the app. Once inside, the first thing I'd recommend doing before you start putting funds is to secure your wallet with an extra level of security. To do that, go to Settings in the bottom right-hand side of the screen, then Access Security. Once in the security setting, you can set an app lock. There you'll be prompted to set a passcode. Now your Trustwallet is ready to safely hold your digital assets. Another of the interesting features of the Trustwallet is its coin staking feature. Trustwallet staking is a way for users to earn income and gain voting rights by staking their coins. It works similarly to how one would earn interest on a bank account or by giving their money to the bank to invest. The Trustwallet website has a calculator that allows you to calculate estimated staking rewards for different coins. Choosing the best coin to stake involves both math and intuition. If you decide to start staking, you should definitely experiment with small amounts and specific staking rewards. Always choose a project that speaks to you and that you believe will last for a very long time. After all, by staking, you're assisting in the success of that initiative. Another key feature of Trustwallet is its NFT storage and gallery feature. The software now allows users to view and store their preferred BSC and Ethereum NFTs. With the help of Wallet Connect for iPhone users or the in-app dApp browser for Android users, Trustwallet makes it simple to access decentralized applications, dApps. Users of Trustwallet are given simple access to a variety of NFT-powered dApps where they can stake non-fungible tokens to generate income. Users of Trustwallet can connect to NFT farming dApps directly through the app by doing so in just a few simple clicks. In addition to staking NFTs for yield farming on dApps like Superfarm, users can utilize the wallet to rapidly connect to NFT marketplaces where you can mint and sell NFTs, all of which can be viewed directly on the app. Trustwallet has what I would consider to be slightly above average support. There is always the Help Center option available in the settings section of the program if you run into issues. Here, you'll find fairly comprehensive FAQs and troubleshooting manuals. You can start a support request to contact them directly if you're still having trouble. It appears from a tour of many forums that replies to tickets can occasionally be slow. However, in my experience, their support replied within 24 hours. For more extensive reports and detail, head on over to our website cryptocurrencies.com. And once again, thanks for watching. If you have found this video helpful, kindly hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more informative and useful tips related to all your digital assets. Until next time.